Once you reach home, carefully remove the plastic wrap after 1 hour or as suggested by your artist. Use Johnson's baby soap to make some foam on your hands and gently massage the tattooed area for 5 to 10 seconds and rinse with clean drinking water. Using a soft cloth or tissue paper, pat dry the area and let it rest in the open. After 2 days, start applying Bethanavate or Cetaphil moisturizer on the tattoo at least 2 to 3 times a day or whenever you feel like it is drying. Make sure to apply a very thin layer of it, as over moisturizing can cause small bumps on the tattoo. Do not apply soap directly on the tattoo while taking a shower. There is no problem if just the foam is flowing onto your tattoo. No need to avoid contact with water. Until your tattoo is fully healed, avoid applying any chemical-based products like oil, perfume, cream, etc. on the tattoo. Scab, dead skin, will start to form on the tattoo. Do not itch or peel off the dead skin, as it can result in a faded tattoo. Avoid swimming and going to the gym for at least 10 days. Avoid sweating. Avoid going in the rain. No direct exposure to sunlight. Tattoo takes 40 days to heal completely.